Collegiate Business Organization, better known as PBL. Alana is graduating with a 4.0 GPA
Wow.
and plans to pursue her career as a certified public accountant.
But you can't
Good
see
evening. Our commencement speaker is a dedicated public servant who has called South Florida home his entire life. He is also a proud alumnus of Miami-Dade College. It is my honor and privilege to introduce our very special keynote speaker for this evening's commencement exercises, Congressman Joe Garcia. Congressman Garcia was elected to the United States House of Representatives in 2012, and he, like you, got his start right here at Miami-Dade College. In fact, Congressman Garcia used scholarships and money he had saved from cutting grass with his grandfather on weekends to pay for his MDC education. He later attended the University of Miami, where he completed his undergraduate studies. After graduating from UM Law School, Governor Lawton Childs appointed Congressman Garcia to the Florida Public Service Commission, which is a state agency that regulates utilities. Serving under both Democratic and Republican governors, Congressman Garcia helped usher in the single largest energy rate cut in Florida's history, lowering electricity bills for Florida's families through the 1990s.
She is awesome,
Congressman
man.
Garcia left the
She's
Public
doing
Service
so
Commission
good.
in 2000 and was named Executive Director of the Cuban American National Foundation, where he became one of the country's leading advocates for human rights in Cuba and Latin America. In 2009, President Obama appointed Congressman Garcia to serve as a director in the Department of Energy.
So good.
In this position, Congressman Garcia focused on lowering energy costs for America's families and providing greater access to renewable sources of energy. Congressman Garcia has served on the board of the Spanish-American League Against Discrimination and Reggie's House, a drug addiction prevention center for inner-city youth in Miami. He is a board member of the Cuban American National Foundation. He also previously served as director of the New Democratic Network Hispanic Strategy Center and was chairman of the Democratic Party of Miami-Dade County. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming your fellow MDC alumnus,